This is a very quick video to talk about Hose Hawk Pro. Hose Hawk Pro scam. If you're searching for Hose Hawk Pro scam, this is something that looks to me exactly like another scam that I recently saw. What people do who are advertising these products is they take a very cheap product, a very cheap hose nozzle from another website, maybe Temu or AliExpress, very cheap, $5, $2, $10, whatever. They then jack the price up and they claim it's called something like Hose Hawk Pro. And they hope that you don't realize it is a very cheap product that's nothing more than a hose nozzle. They create all this fancy marketing for Hose Hawk Pro, claiming it's going to be able to do amazing things like it'll be able to, pressure wash your driveway and all this amazing stuff. It's just a hose nozzle. And you might be saying, well, how do you know that? Did you buy it? My name is Jordan Lyles. I am a senior reporter for the fact-checking website Snopes.com. This is my personal YouTube channel where I come to on nights and weekends to help people stay away from scams. I've been doing this for years. I've seen this hose nozzle scam over and over again. And it's just the same sort of scam where someone buys up a very cheap product and they try to sell it with a new name without telling you, without being truthful about the fact that it's very cheap from somewhere else. Like people talk drop shipping, whatever. This is something that you don't want to buy. It does not have an amazing award. On hosehawk.net, it claims it's America's #1 rated pressure nozzle and that Good Housekeeping gave it an award and it has a Cleaning Excellence Conference and Awards designation. Does not. That's all fake. And it says it has hydropower technology and it's going to be able to do amazing things on your driveway, patio, deck, fence, siding, cars, and more. And you maybe even saw a YouTube ad claiming that, it's got a guy talking about it. And I've seen those for other iterations of this scam, and they're completely AI-generated people standing in AI-generated environments. The Verge, Good Housekeeping, CNET, Fox, Wired, People, they never covered this, but the hosehawk.net website claims that they did. Those publications never covered this. If you just do a reverse image search for this product, you will find, just as I am right here, this is nothing more than a product you can find under other names with other prices that's very, very cheap. And so I hope that you've received a little bit of help from my video because this is not something you want to get involved in. And if you go look at reviews on Trustpilot, which I can show you now on my screen, Hose Hawk Pro Pressure Washer, 14 reviews, a 1.8 out of 5 score. It should be 1 out of 5 because all of the reviews are 1-star reviews. It claims that it's located on 4492 Hillview Drive in California, with Dublin, I guess the city name after all that, but there is no 4492 Hillview Drive in Dublin. In the reviews, you've got biggest advertised scam on the internet. I have no clue if the damn thing increases water pressure because it doesn't connect to a standard hose. Don't waste your money. Absolute trash. Do not purchase this product as it is a scam. This product is absolutely not what is advertised. This product is a scam. It has no more pressure than a general garden sprayer. And so I don't need to keep going. This is what it is. This is something where people are trying to get you to purchase a product based upon either not telling you the whole truth, omitting things, or just lying. So Hose Hawk Pro is not legitimate. Hose Hawk Pro is a scam. And if you did fall for this, let me know. Did they charge you subscription charges in addition to whatever they try to charge you for the product? Sometimes that happens. I don't know if that's going on here. But I hope that you've received some sort of assistance from my video. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. Thank you so much for watching.